In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in Canva using your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so go ahead and open up your Canva app on your mobile device. And now from here, you want to click on the plus icon. And then you want to start creating from your media. So now what I'm going to do here is click on upload, like so. And now I want to choose a PDF. So from here, I'm going to click onto media picker. All right, I'm going to choose this PDF. I'm going to click done here. And now you can see it's uploading. So yeah, upload your PDF file that you'd like to edit. So give that a few moments to upload depending the size of that PDF file. All right, you can see it's uploaded. So now I'm going to click into it, open it up. Now you can see this is uploaded. So now to edit this PDF, just simply tap on what you want to edit inside here. If you want to edit the text, click on the text box and you can change the font if you like. So I can change it to Arimo, Unicode, Canva Sans. You can even change the color as well. So if I want to do it blue or green, etc. So you can have a play around with that if you like with the text. You can also move objects around, so just click onto it, move it to where you want to. You can delete objects. If I don't want that baby seat there, I can just delete it, move that one up like that. So yeah, it's very customizable in Canva when you want to edit a PDF.